Everyone. So in my previous video, right, we have seen like we have analyzed the credit card data and we have seen few of the questions like how we can read the data frame, how we can filter the data, then how we can find the manipulation, like if you have to filter on particular column, how we can apply that. Then if you have to manipulate, like if you have to find the distinct record, how we will do. Then we have to apply a code, particular code on particular record, how we will do that. So we have used all these functions, right? And in the that video I have told like few of the question which were left I'll discuss in next video. So suppose like we have a few question which were left in my previous video, was that like identify and remove any duplicate based upon the credit card column, right? So first let's go above and we will read the data frame, because this is from here only we will read all the records, right? So I have written this dfcc is our read statement, which like it's a main data frame. On top of that only we have performed these operations. So let it complete. So read has been completed. Now let's come over here and we will do all those manipulation whatever required. So if want to display, right, let's display the written things. So we have a data set and what it is asking like identify and remove any duplicate record based on the card number. So we have a card number, right? And we have to identify a record if there is any duplicate and we have to remove that. So what I'll do, we will just put df cc read dot uh, underscore count, and we will give is give this dot count. Okay, so I'll just use print a statement and I'll print this uh, data count before duplicate operation. Okay, and then we will print this and we will use this dfcc count read underscore count. And then what we will do, we will use one more dfcc read underscore count one, and we will give this dfcc read dot drop duplicate, and we will give the column name over here card number. So we'll just use this card number over here, card number number. Have did this duplicates thing, right? Now let's print this, and similarly whatever we use over there, right, we'll just use over here as well. And we will keep this print count one, print data count after duplicate operation. So put nn over there and we can. Okay, so this put count over here, and I'll again we have to use this discuss to just use this dot count. And we can see, right, there is no any duplicate value for the this card number. That's why we are not getting any duplicate value. But like if you'll go to the card type full name, right, just copy this column card type full name, because we are getting multiple visa things. So if we'll put that thing over here, let's put that and try to uh, run this, we will get the count mismatch. So we can see, right, we are only having six type of the card which we have seen earlier. So only six records are there after handling this duplicate value. So this way we can handle these duplicates. So let's come to the next question. This question what it is asking, we have to mask a card number. So if you'll display this, right, record, wait, I'll show you. So we have to display this record. I'll remove this much and just display till here. Let's display this display. Let's see what we used to say. So we have this card number, right? We have card number in full digit. So what we have to do, we have to mask the beginning and we have to just show the last four digit number. So how we will do? So as we know, right, for any of the custom column, what we have to do, we have to use the with column. So we have used df mask equals to df cc read dot, we will use with column over here, and in with column we will create a column mask column or mask card number, and in that card number we will give this expression, like we have a expression called, like we have to concat the left side of the string, which is the length of the card number minus 4, like total length of the card number minus 4, we what we will replace that with the star, and we will use the substring. So once we will run this, right, let's run this. Wait, let's import the expression. So for that, let's import expression over here. So we'll use expr import this expression and display. Okay, so just display df mask. Uh, so we could see, right, let's scroll towards, or just do one thing. Okay, let's scroll towards right. So see our mask card number, right? We have masked the beginning number, and we are only just displaying the last four digit of the card number. So we, by the using expression and concat function, we can mask the card number. After this, what we have to count the unique card type value. Okay, so let's display this df unique df card type. Okay, so what we have, df underscore cc read dot, uh, we for unique, right, what we have to do, we have to select, and what we have to select card type. So card type we have, we'll read card type full name. So in that display also, right, we will only get six record. I'll show you that. So what we have to display, we have to display this card type dot distinct. Okay, and then display. So see what it is asking, card type values. So we have how many unique card types? So we have six unique card type: Discover, American Express, Visa. So what I did, I have selected that particular name and used the distinct function. So on top of that particular column, how there will be distinct record and it will get displayed. So with the help of distinct, we can show our unique values of the card type. Then what missing values on the card holder's name? So we have a fill NA or is null value. Okay, so what we have to do? Uh, just do this and just put this and just null. We will do, we will put use the filter over here, and in filter what we will use, we'll use call, and we will give the column name card holder's name. So just put in double quote because it's a quote present in card holder's name. So we'll copy this, we'll put over here, and we will use the dot is null, and let's run this. Now let's display if we have any record, right? Display df card type. So we can see, right, there is no any null record in name. So all the records having the name. So what we have, we don't need to like and credit or credit limit. So what we have another column also. So we'll use over here. Let's put this call. Okay. So let's put this and this, and let's put in or condition. Uh, or or I think we'll have to give the pipe symbol, but we will look into that. I just put call, put double quote, put credit limit, then put dot is null. Okay, so what? Let's run. I have removed this. We have put or condition as well, and we have tried this, but there is no any duplicate for the both record. So what we have after performing the necessary transformation, write a resulting data frame into the new CSV file. So if you'll combine, like if we have not combined all those transformation in one, right? If you'll transform all those things like with column and all these in one data frame, the data type change, the date changes which we have done in previous video, if you'll do it together, we can write this into the new CSV file. Just we have to use df.write and we have to pass the location. Then we can like we have to give the unity catalog location and we can put that as well. So this way we can write the, or you can be, or just use the cdf dot card type, we have this, or cc read dot write, uh, write to, or write to, just use path, give the path over here. Yeah, from above let's copy the path, and instead of this I'll use the another location. I'll show you. So df dot write dot csv, we have to give the location, just give the location credit card, and in the credit card just give this uh, file taste forward file dot csv, and just run this. So it has been run. Right now go to the catalog and go to the dbfs, and in dbfs go to the file store tables and credit card, and in this credit card we have given the file test, and inside the file test we have created the file csv, and we can see we have write that file. So this way you can write. Now what is the count the number of card issued by each bank and display the result in descending order. So just you have to, we have earlier also we have seen, right, this see group by issue bank, and just use the count, that's it, and we will number of card, right? So just dfcc read, let's df list is equals to issuing bank, and instead of sum just use the count and give the card issued by the count, just use the count, that's it. Let's check what are the result we are getting. So just use the df list display. So we can see, right, we have got the count, like Barclays have issued amount of the card, or like we can use the card number over here, or card holder's name, or card number, card type, not card number. Where is card number? We have used somewhere, right? We have this card number, so just count the card number and we will get the unique values of the card number. Let's try to run this. Okay, so takes one to given. Okay, I think it will not take any argument, so yeah, we have to just use the count. So that's fine, like we can this way also we can find, and then we can use the